What's up guys, welcome back. Daima, just before Goku transforms into Super Saiyan 4, he strikes this cool pose where he like rips off his top like mid-scream, and it's cool. So we're going to draw it because it's cool. Did I mention that it's cool? Landscape page. Pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. We're going to start with his eyes. We'll do actually the frown in the middle first. This W sort of shape, right, that Dragon Ball characters usually have. It's like a pitchfork or a W. And then the eyebrow goes this way. And these big wide eyes, right, so it kind of curves up and down. It's not technically an eyebrow because there's no hair there, but the brow comes out the back like that. In Super Saiyan 3, you know, there's no eyebrows. We do the same on the other side. Doesn't have to be exact same, obviously, but more or less the same. And sometimes there is like frowning, sort of hatching lines there. Very dark in there, so I can't see it in that one. But it's usually there. Right, so then small line, long line, and then join these together. And it's like his eyes are real wide. I'll just do the other, so small line, long line, and then join them together. And then like he's like, ah, and he's like, ah. He's got a circle for an iris. Pupil in there, and the other one about the same spot. Are they the same height? Well, maybe. Okay, it's kind of tricky now because to do that and get it in the exact right spot without making him look kind of cross-eyed, you know, not easy. But he's kind of supposed to look like intense anyway, so. Right, wrinkles on the nose. And then the nose itself, it's kind of different to other Dragon Ball noses. So it goes down, across, and up. It's kind of wider or something. And then shadow on the side, or the bridge of the nose on the side, like so. And then a screaming mouth underneath, very close to the nose. Downturned there, so it looks like he's a grumpy Goku. But we open it by bringing it longer. Now he's screaming already. There. And then we have top teeth. And bottom teeth and tongue. And the tongue is, there's a double sort of bump thing there. And his bottom lip. And then chin. Like that. Well, yeah, and the eye, cheek, you know, lines that. So his jaw. There. You're aiming sort of in line with his mouth there and sort of the corners of his eye underneath there. You don't want to go much further than that because it changes direction here and goes up like right beside his eyebrows. And this actually becomes his ear. kind of hooks around. Big Dragon Ball ears. And then ear lines inside. The easiest way is a letter J, kind of like that. And then we could add a bit more. If we wanted to. Sideburns then. Typical sort of Dragon Ball sideburn beside his eyebrow, or lack of eyebrow. Then we get the sort of hairline, right? So coming down in the middle. Yeah, so like maybe a bit hairy. They actually draw it in. Sometimes they don't. Okay. And then crazy amounts of Super Saiyan 3 hair. Yeah. So first spike, right, goes kind of curly, sort of that way. Sort of, yeah, well, there's like some hair lines and stuff on it, so it just goes that way. And then we get one, so it goes off the top of the screen, so I might bring it a bit further, so we go there. And then this goes up that way, and there's all hair in behind, but we'll do all these ones first. That way. Down there. So this is like the first layer at the front. And this goes down pretty close to his ear. And then we go up again. And we just kind of build these up. It's like a random one, kind of sticking this way. Right, and then like the back portion of his head is all filled with hair as well. And it's all like going in random different directions, right? So let's go here, down, and then that way. And then it looks like there's another one. I think then going that way, another one going that way. This is all like just hair in this sort of background area. All right, and then there's a big one here. Then there's like Stick some in here. There. And I think this just goes like that way. Doop, doop, and then here. Okay, I think that's all the hair, apart from maybe like a random one coming out from behind his back. So we'll add texture on all these. So on each spike, you just sort of follow the shape. 2 or 3, I find, is all that's sort of needed, really. Some people like to do more than that, of course, but it's up to you. Right, that's his hair. So, arm coming across here. So we've got a couple of different areas. So say like his kimono comes down that way, and he's pulling his t-shirt the other direction, so like off his chest there, like it that way. And then his chest muscles are in here, right? So there, and then across that way, and then the other side of his t-shirt is being pulled into his hand, like in there. So this is like his chest and his chest muscles and stuff. And then we got some neck. Like there's some more sort of random neck lines and stuff. What is that? His actual pec, maybe. I think that's the bottom of his pec in there. Okay, so we'll deal with maybe this shoulder. So orange kimono. And then his blue t-shirt. Similar shape. This might have like some folding lines just on it here, maybe on the orange part. And then we can see his shoulder muscle. We've got deltoid muscle lines, and then the bicep comes down off the page. And there's tricep at the back. Now, if you find like you have more room maybe to the body of your page, you can just cut your page to suit the image. It's a very simple way of sorting out your page size. Or if you run out of room, you can tape a page. That's what I would do when I was younger, anyway. Right, so we got a forearm line just coming across here. And then a wristband. We got a hand grabbing his clothing here, okay? Grabbing. Right, and then up, and then it's just knuckle lines. So 1, 2, 3. And then like it's kind of like his index finger there, and then like the side of his hand just kind of bumps down this way. So he's holding on to his clothes. He's like gonna rip it off. So this goes into the hand there, and then there's some fabric lines being pulled into the hand, and some being pulled this way, the direction of the clothing being pulled in there. And the back of his hand seems to have some just knuckle lines or something. I like this kind of stuff. I think we can see his shoulder, his other shoulder in here. It's just a curve basically. And then some blue color on that. I don't think there's any anatomy there. There's a fist down here. Like some of his fingers. That's optional. You could leave this out if you didn't have room or anything. And he's got like lightning. Oh, there's another hair spike here actually. None here. Right, and then like lightning coming like across his chest. You don't have to do it if you don't want to cover, you know, what you've drawn, you know, but it, you know, you could put it maybe like just on the side, you know, here. But of course, like anything you draw over, the lightning will cover. So I might do a little bit just coming over his hair and his chest a little bit there. So that'd be like blue. But this is an optional part of the drawing. Some people might not like to do it. Right, Super Saiyan 3, Goku, Daima. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.